Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Ayan, ang breakfast natin ngayong umaga, or we call it brunch na dahil it's late. Come on, my darling, let's have breakfast. Let's have a breakfast. It's already late. Well, snacks na ito, guys. Snacks na, or you call it brunch. Pakahapon pa yan sa mga leftover, guys. Ayan, wala lang kakain. Ayan. Kailangan ako ng tagakain, guys. Yan ang breakfast natin. I wake up so late. So itong coffee, guys, is yung may mga cyst kayo dyan, huwag kayong iinom ng coffee na may caffeinated. You have to drink a decaf coffee. Para yung mga ano natin dyan, yung mga cyst natin dyan ay hindi sumasakit. Ayan si coffee ko. No, hindi ito coffee ko, guys, ha. Hopefully, okay lang tayo sa mga, ano dyan, mga sakit-sakit. So, lockdown, walang magagawa, but kain, tulog, tulog, kain. Ayan lang kami dito. Okay, drink coffee. That's for your tea, if you want some teas.
Is there tea in it?
No.
It won't be very good then.
I use this tea, guys. All you have to do is to get the tea out. And you know, I'll explain it to you. This is a gift from Kazakhstan. One of my husband's worker there. Ladies. So, yan siya. Since we don't have the grind one, pasok ka lang dito, guys. Pasok there. Ayan, you just fold this one and then put it in. And then dip it to your cup. Oh dear.
Actually, that's for like loose tea, isn't it?
Yeah, this is for loose tea, but we don't have loose teas. Just do this one easy. Dahil you just dip it into your cup and then put it up. You don't need the squeezer. So yeah. Ayan si tea. I will drink it later, but now I will have my coffee. Yummy. Still sweet. Hindi pwede sa mga diabetic ang sweet, guys.
Good. Is that all that's left?
So, this is my leftover from yesterday. So, if you want to eat, just come over here and join us. Gara-gara. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Thank you. We need somebody to help us eat, guys. Dahil meron pa akong palitaw, meron pa akong binignit, and now I have this dessert, and I'll have banana. I just leave it here dahil yung mga bata, alam mo na, if they want to eat, they will just come and get something. So, ang table ko is always ready. Ay, yung mga pagkain na you don't need to, refrigerate. Ayan, nakalagay na dyan. Isbog ni guys because sa youngest ko na anak, dito siya mag-homework while magluto si mami, and then it's easy for her na okay, bigyan mo ako ganito, tubig, ganyan, gutom ako. So, ayan, dito siya gagawa ng niya, homework siya. Kaya hindi ko na ito nilabas na gagamitin yung mga dining chairs, but ito na lang. Ito na naman tayo, walang ginagawa kung kakain na. So, word of advice, kailangan daw natin lemon ginger para to boost our immune system or to have vitamin C, I don't know. And sabi nila, so since we have this green tea lemon ginger, ito siguro maganda pag niyo sa tea. Ito ang tea ko. Nakalagay na dito hindi siya loose tea that we got. Lang siya, yung tea bag. So, nilagay ko lang yung tea dyan, then you have to just dip it into, since meron na ako ditong, guys, coffee, you just, excuse me. So, you just dip this one, and then put some water para hindi mo na i-squeeze siya. Ayan. Ayan lang siya. And then wait for a while. So you don't need to squeeze guys dahil dito sa table na mahirap, maraming mga So ito ang coffee ko. For breakfast talaga, I really need a cup of coffee. Yan sa lahat ng mga tao dyan sa Pilipinas, ingat kayo guys, don't go out if it's not necessary. Huwag kayong lalabas, just stay home and then cook whatever meron kayo dyan. Look at your pantry and then clean your pantry and then get rid of all the old stuff and then make something out of those. Dahil akala ko I don't have a flour, but actually I have 2 bags na nakalagay sa likod ng side sa pantry ko. So, sa lahat ng mga taong walang ginagawa, lockdown time, ayan, clean your pantry and then cook sa mga kailangan, para may dessert naman kayo. You don't need to go out to the restaurant to eat. You don't need to go out to the bakery to buy something. Just make your own. If you have bananas, then make banana bread. Yes, guys, I have here a banana bread. Yeah. So if I have an old banana na may mga dots na, what I did is like, I will just put that in my freezer and then time comes na, if you like to eat bananas na, you can have your bananas. If you have a lot of apples, like here, I have my apple crumble yesterday. So yeah, yan ang leftover. It's very yummy. You don't go to the pie bakery to buy your own pies, but just make it out of scratch. So itong gagawin mo sa tea after 3 minutes, or you just leave it there if you like. Yeah, you don't need to squeeze, but just turn and turn and turn. So you don't need a squeezer, guys. Ayan, ilagay mo lang dito. And if you like some sugar. I have my sugar here. It's a stevia. Stevia, guys. It's a stevia. Maganda ito para sa mga diabetic. So this is made with stevia extract. So this is nice. So yung mga conscious sa mga health nila, guys, this is good. It's so good. So this is lemon ginger green tea, a very nutritious one. It's an organic. It has 0 calories. Organic tea, organic ginger, organic lemongrass, organic chicory, and lemon flavor. So it's all organic. So yeah, guys, if you want to go to the store, buy this one. This is good. You don't need to buy a lot of lemons and ginger. You just buy that lemon tea, lemon ginger tea. So you get the ginger, my coffee. Cheers. Look at my channel, Jennifer Susan Walker, and then you can find all the description of my banana bread and my crumble, apple crumble. Yes. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.